Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the taillight and replace the bulbs on a 2014 Honda Ridgeline. Start out by opening the tailgate, and in the jamb here there's two 10mm bolts that need to come out. And then grab a hold of the back edge of the taillight and place your other hand here to support, and just want to pull directly back towards you. And when you do that, it releases it from these two pins right here. And on the back side of the taillight, this is what you'll see. This top one here, this is the top of the taillight, this top bulb here. This is the turn signal. This one is the backup light, and this is the nighttime running light, and the doubles as the brake light also. And all these work basically the exact same, and you turn them counterclockwise and then pull out, and then replace the bulb. You just pull out on it and then just replace it with a new bulb. And I will link to each of these bulbs in the description below where you can get these. You can get these on Amazon. And that's it. Change the bulb out and then just put it back in reverse order. Thanks for watching.